Digit save money automatically. A short review video about this website or application here that how you can simply use or start using Digit save money powered by Opportune here on your mobile phone. The savings are built around you. Set and save. So what you will get in this $1,800 saved per year on an average, 15 million plus savings for personalized pays here a little there. They learn the right times to save for you based on when your bills are due and other guidelines set by you. So you can simply automatically they will get some of your earnings or some of the credit amount that is credited to your account. They will lock it and they will save it on behalf of you without even asking or taking a final permission for you. So you will only allow the application to do it and it will automatically save and show you a growth in your earnings as well. So you can how the serving application work, connect your bank account, they learn spending habits and then they cut the amount on specific date. So this is how you can complete the goals of your life from start shaving a little amount. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.